I snagged a really big. Oh, I snagged him though.
Alright, it's the afternoon. We got done fishing the Wissahickon Derby. Mason's back there looking at some spots. Went home, took a little nap. Now we're back at it. We were in the city, Wissahickon Creek. Nice tournament. Actually derby. Lots of fish, lots of people. Really nice stream. Now we're back out in the suburbs trying our hands at Sawmill Park. There's a creek right here and they have a kids derby. It goes all weekend long. And they have 3 sessions. Each session's 50 kids get to fish. And they had a session this morning. And then there's a session this afternoon, which Mason signed up for. And then one tomorrow morning. So there is a lot of fishing here. But also, we got here a little bit early and there's already people set up. So we're just trying to look around, see if we can find anything, where to set up. Yeah, we'll see how he does. And hopefully he does good. I'll see you. Peace.
Alright, so we're here at Radnor Tournament. Back catch a biggin.
So we appreciate you coming, right? It's the 27th annual trout derby we do here at Sawmill Park. So we're Chester Valley Sportsman's Association. All big fish. You get a big fish on, guys, there's a lot of kids here, so try and let the other kids fight it. Help them out as much as possible, whether that's netting or whatever it may be. Get your lines out of the water, let them fight it. That's our goal, to try and get as many of these big fish out of here as we can. So we'll blow the horn when you're ready to fish. Do not fish till you hear the horn. We're going to fish till 7:05, somewhere in there. We will do prizes for the top 10 biggest fish. All right?
Yeah.
It's a nice one. The big one's back there. Get it off quick. Thank you. Thank you.
Just so you have something to check in.
I don't know where the big trout are. Where are the big ones? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a tank. That regular one did. But the big one was gonna go for it, but this little tiny one's on it. time. Let go, let go. Come on, come on.
Nice job, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice job, guys.
Thank you.
You're on. You're on.
Oh no, I snagged a really big. Oh, I snagged him though.
That's a really big one you got.
Oh.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Dad, come here. I got the really big one, but
Bad up.
oh, it's about to come off. He's stuck around. He's stuck. I snagged him though.
Okay. Cool. Oh, yeah, let him go.
No. Chill. Come on, no, stop. What are you doing?
Whoa, he got a big one.
Yo.
Oh, you lost it? Come on. It was snagged.
You gonna come over here, dude?